Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Tennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're in New York City doing a mukbang with City Alkaline, a restaurant in Brooklyn, New York. So strap in. I was so hungry that I didn't even prepare the lighting or fix my hair or anything, but we have a good video, so I hope you enjoy it.
It's really good. It's sour, but it's not really sour. It's just a little bit sour. I would say tart, but it's also sweet. Maybe it's sweetened with agave or something. And there's still pulp in it floating around, which is nice for me. That's extremely refreshing. Good start. One of them is veggie pizza. I think that might be that one. And one of them is jerk mushroom pizza, which might be that one. And then I forgot what the other one would be. I have to look it up.
Is it spelt?
Let's try the ranch.
Oh my gosh.
All right, these are the burro fries, I guess. They're seasoned, it looks like. Oh, I should try it without the ranch first. Okay, let me just try one by itself. Looks like some herbs encrusted on there. Burro banana. Now, it's been a while since it was cooked because we had to get it delivered and everything. So it's not hot anymore, but the flavor is really good and it's cooked well. All right, let me try the ranch on it next. The ranch is pretty good, and the fries are seasoned strong enough that it's hard to tell which seasoning is ranch and which is on the fry, but it's good.
Oh my gosh.
All right, here's the taco, and I got the walnut meat. They have a choice between the jerk mushrooms and walnut meat, and I chose walnut meat, so. Holy crap. It tastes like there's cumin in it, though. But it tastes amazing. Even though it's cold, it's still really good. Let's see. These are the fried oyster mushrooms, I think, with onion rings. So first I'll try it with no ranch. Those are good. I don't always love oyster mushroom. That one was perfect. Crunchy on the outside. It wasn't too chewy. The mushroom was more tender. Like sometimes oyster mushrooms can be a little too chewy. I mean, the flavor, the batter was flavored pretty strong, so you don't need to dip it in anything. I can feel the spice coming in like aftertaste spicy. And it held up well, like again, after delivery, sometimes fried food is all soggy and it was still pretty crunchy and crispy. Let's try an onion ring. Good crunch factor. Not 100% crispy, but still crispy. That's pretty good, actually, on the crisp level. Let's try it with the ranch. It's good, but it's so good anyway. I don't know. Does it make it that much better? It's good with the ranch and by itself. Let's try this burger. Wow, it's pretty heavy actually. Should I deconstruct it? Are you curious? I usually don't do this to my food, but since I'm making a video, looks like kale. Looks like a burger patty with some kale and onions. Let's see. It's hefty actually. It doesn't look like it. It looks a little bit small, but it's maybe 2 pounds or something. I'm a fan. It's similar walnut meat to the taco, but not exactly seasoned same. It's spicy. There's some kind of spicy sauce, I think. The bun is dense, but not too bad. Like it doesn't ruin it. Oh man, that's really good. It's spicy and herby. It has an in-depth flavor, not just super spicy, but it's pretty spicy. So I like it a lot.
Really good.
All right, let me try this one. This one I think was cooked first because it felt like it was getting cold first earlier. All right, pizza number 1. I don't know which one this is. A little bit sweet. A little bit fennel-y. Is this the sausage one? This might be the sausage pizza. It's got kind of like a layer of sausage instead of sauce. Yes, it works. The crust is a little bit dense. Definitely not bad. It's dialed in with spice level, herb flavor, salty, a little bit sweet, but not too much. Like the first thing I tasted was a little sweetness, but now the spice is kicking in, like spicy. Like kind of like that. I think that's similar. I tasted it in a couple of the dishes. All right. Interesting. Spicy. The onions are sweet. It's spicy. It's herby. There's a more depth of flavor. A little bit earthy. It tastes different. Like there's no fennel in this one. Not sure which one I like more so far with the pizzas. The kale, though, is about to roll off and just fly on the ground. I'm not a huge kale fan, but it's okay to grab this piece. Wow. This might be my favorite one. It's also spicy. It's got more fresh vegetables on it, like more tomato. So it's good, but it's also got the herby, a little bit herby, pretty spicy. The kale is an obstacle, though. I feel like as soon as I try to bite it, it's gonna pull all the other toppings off. My mouth is on fire. I like it, but I'm not sure which thing is more spicy than the other, or if it's all spicy at this point. This is supposed to be like a sweet potato pie. Kind of. Obviously it's not sweet potato, I hope. Looks good. It feels cold. Like it maybe was frozen. Oh! Good. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Oh man, it's so good. It's sweet. The crust is sweet, super sweet crust, and it's like not hard, but it's a little dense, but like crumbly. It's not like chewy dense. It breaks apart in an interesting way, and the top is so creamy and sweet, slightly spiced, like maybe pumpkin pie or sweet potato pie. Yeah, it's sweet. This is better than sweet potato pie. I can definitely say that with confidence. Sweet potato pie, it tastes good, but it makes you feel like instantly like, bleh. And this is like all the good points about it, none of the bad points about it. So good representation. I'm glad I added an extra order of this, because I was like, what if I like that? And then I went. All right, let's try this ranch on the pizza crust.
I think I dipped the pizza crust has like an underbaked feel to it. Very dense, but kind of an underbaked. But that's the way that is. You're not going to get a like fluffy without a.
All right, let's try the empanadas. I'm so full. I taste it, but I'm like, it's suddenly work to finish the video. Oh man. It's spicy, a little sweet. It's not exactly the same as the other flavors. It's somewhat similar. It tastes a little bit like an Asian dumpling. Like when I first bit into it, that's the impression that I got. Was more like a meat dumpling, Chinese or Korean style, because it's spicier. But it's not totally Asian flavor. Like, it's good though. I think maybe there's some kind of pepper, like bell pepper or something, that gives it that flavor. My mouth's on fire and I'm totally full. This order came with 2 of these. And for quick on the go, if I wouldn't have already stuffed myself with pizza and sweet pie, then this would be like, this would hit the spot. The drink is awesome. The dessert was an all-star. Everything else was good. Thank you so much. What city do you want me to go to next? Subscribe, and thank you for all the support on Instagram. Thank you so much, all the people that bought my cookbook. It's the 1-year anniversary of releasing the hardcover, and I got a lot of reviews, 5-star reviews so far. So thank you so much if you got the book. Thank you so much if you left a review. Thank you again. I'll see you soon. What? Wow, that's sweet and good. I also want to say one thing. They made a substitute on my drink. I wanted one of the smoothies and they were out of whatever it was. And the drink substitute was really good. And also the delivery was late and they offered me a free pizza next order. So, yes, I had to stand outside in the rain, but I get paid with a free pizza. So I'm happy with, like, I could have gotten angry about, it being late or whatever, but I was looking so forward to it and nothing could really get me down. And then if the food would have been subpar, then I would be angry. But the food made up for and it wasn't, I knew I was making a huge order and I kind of knew that it might be late because, these small alkaline restaurants popping up don't have like 20 people in the kitchen cranking them out. So I was kind of assuming that would happen because I've done this kind of thing before. This is like my 9th or 10th video like this. And the other places were late also before. So I'm not gonna count that too harshly. And they offered me a free pizza. So, it was a waste of time standing in the rain, but I feel totally fine with it. Just wanted to add that, nothing's perfect. With a delivery, you're bound to get some issues. All right, that's it for me. Order my cookbook on Amazon and see you in the next video.